Hey guys, welcome back to the Reds channel. Today we're unboxing the 2025 MLB All-Star Game Bobbles on Parade Cincinnati Reds edition Foco Bobblehead from the Atlanta All-Star Game this past season. So let's go ahead and dive on into this one. I'm getting this one in. Let's check it out. Still have many more new Foco ones to come in. Still a little over 30. Oh, come in. A lot of them are on back orders and stuff, so I just gotta be patient with it. Alright, here's the base. The base is looking very good. Super sick. Alright, here's the base. Very good details. Get the city skyline in the background from Atlanta. All-Star Game logos right there. All the buildings, the little Ferris wheel right there. This is all MLB All-Star Game. Great detail. Got the peaches all around, the grass space, All-Star Game logo right here. Looking good, looking clean. Very nice base. Got number 12 with 125. Number to 125. Check out the bobblehead here itself. Alright, here's the back. Love the bobble itself this year. Looking very clean. Love the stance, different stance a little bit. Looking good. Got all the Reds logos on there. All the different logos. Looking super sick. Great detail, great quality to it, great size. Color differences in the past years. A little different, but that's cool. Like that. Let's get it on the base here, check it out. Alright, here we go. Bat right here. Here it is on the base. Fully together. 2025 Reds MLB All-Star Game in Atlanta. Foco Reds Bobblehead. Bobbles on Parade. Super hyped on this one. Number to 125. Another great addition to the collection. Looking good. Looking clean. Super hyped on it. Very happy with it. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe. Check out the next winner soon. And go Reds.